Hi guys, hope you're well. So today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing lamb leg. It's incredible for events, especially Eid coming around the corner. You're going to love this. The best thing is it's soft, it's super tasty, and most importantly, it's very easy. So let's see how to make this. So let's prepare all the ingredients. So we need garlic, ginger, we need coriander, green chilies, and some mint. Now we need a bowl. In that add yogurt. I also grinded onion, and we're going to add the onion, garlic and the ginger and the mint, coriander and green leaves all in the bowl. So as always, the ingredients are listed below, so have a look at that please. So we've got cumin and coriander powder, we've got garam masala, salt, white pepper, oregano and some thyme, and we're going to add that to the bowl as well. Here I have red chilli powder, basar, turmeric powder and chaat masala, and I'm going to add this. So when I blended the green chilli, mint and coriander, I had a bit of liquid left, so I'm also adding that. Now adding a meat tenderiser. You can also add raw papaya if you like, but I'm adding meat tenderiser and that worked a treat for myself. Now add lemon and oil and give that a good mix, and it should look like this delicious looking paste. So now it's time to marinate our lamb leg. Firstly, we need to wash and dry our lamb, and then we need to cut. So the butcher normally cuts this bone, so we need to cut that so we can marinate it well and then cook it well. Also make sure that you have really deep cuts like so the marination really goes inside the lamb and the flavour is everywhere. So this is the best part for me. It's so therapeutic. So massage the lamb leg really well right into the deep cuts and everywhere, so that you're not leaving any little bit and the flavour is everywhere. So we're going to marinate this for 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours. The longer you marinate, the better it is. Trust me on that. This is what it looks like after 24 hours. Now I'm going to show you what my husband says and then we'll see how to make this.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Mashallah ji, lamb leg made today is being steamed. So let's take it, let's see. इसको तो छुरी से काटने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Mashallah, nice and tender. Looks juicy as well. Let's add some chutney. Let's try on its own first. Very nice. It's nice, juicy, tender. You can feel the spices. Now let's try this chutney out. But I think on its own it's very good. Well done, Saila, good job.
Chalo ji, so I've got a positive approval and inshallah you will too, your family will like this. So in a pan, add some oil. So on high flames, cook the lamb leg, and we're just going to cook it enough until it gives a really nice colour, and then we're going to steam it after that. So let's get ready to steam our lamb. So what we need to do is we're going to be adding 1.5 kettles of boiling water into the pan. So for some flavour, we're going to be adding a cinnamon stick, some green cardamom, black cardamom and some black cloves. Next we're going to add this steel stand, and because my stand was a little small, I added this one as well, but you don't have to. So next we need chapati dough, and to that I am rolling it up like so, and then I'm going to add it to the lid. So this is going to be like a glue to the pan, and this will definitely help the steam not to come out and for your lamb leg to be perfect. Cook on low heat for 2.5 hours, and I didn't remove the lid in between, so alhamdulillah it was fine. So this is what it should look like after 2.5 hours. Mashallah, absolutely tender, so beautiful, the smell is outstanding. So I kept the gravy from the lamb leg guys, and the next day I made some rice for my husband and his team, and I will show you how to do that right now. I added some onions. I had some onion from the omelette that I made in the morning, so I added that as well. I'm doing exactly the same way as we make the normal pilau. So I am going to let the onion become golden colour, then add 1 glass of water, quickly put the lid on, and this is going to give it some colour. Ooh, a beautiful colour. So now I'm going to be adding some chickpeas, going to let that cook for a short while. Adding a few spices for flavours like cumin and coriander powder, a bit of red chilli flakes. Now add the rice, which I actually was soaking for about an hour or so. Now I'm adding the gravy that I had from the lamb leg. So this is how I measure my rice guys. I basically the tip of my finger should be touching the rice and the first line of the finger should be where the water is. Hope that makes sense for you, but this always works for myself. Now I do salt to taste, and we're going to cook this on medium heat for about 10 minutes until the water reduces. So once the water has reduced and it's looking like this, we're going to be adding our lamb legs. So this was from yesterday, and I'm just going to put everything for them so that it's eaten by the team and they fully enjoy the full meal. Adding the hazelback potatoes, adding veg. It is looking so pretty, so vibrant. Now I am going to cover the lid with a cloth and just going to cook this on very low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, and inshallah your rice will be made. And there we go, just like that, it's made. Wow, doesn't this look absolutely amazing right now? So I'm just quickly showing you from the side. The rice is cooked fully, the water has completely gone, and it is absolutely delicious. I hope you like this video, and I hope you try it both ways, whether you just make the lamb leg or with the rice. And inshallah I will see you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.